Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome once again to the Day Trader. A lot to discuss this afternoon, a lot going on in the markets, and of course the big news of the day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Tesla, and welcome once again to the Virgin Day Galactic. Virgin Galactic has collapsed today. The question is it barcoding? What is barcoding? We'll discuss that live on the show today. A lot to discuss, a lot to talk about. Is Virgin Galactic now barcoding? And we'll discuss that today live on the show. What do you think? We're going to discuss it live today. The market, as you can see, has dropped down. Let's go straight into There you go. Is that better? There you go. I apologise. I turned the audio off that feed. That's better now. You can hear me now, right? Ryan Sullivan can't hear. Thank you ever so much for pointing that out, by the way. I appreciate that very much. No volume. We're all good now, right? Okay. No volume in the stock. Well, that's part of it as well. Actually, we'll discuss that in a second. Can hear now. Good. Everything is good again. Great. So the overall portfolio is down. You can hear me now. Wonderful stuff. I'm glad about that. Good. Thank you very much indeed. All right. So what happened today was the big news of the day is SPCE took some funding. They borrowed, if you like, $500 million. That's what they've done. They've raised $500 million to fund capital growth. Now, it's good. It's not money to pay themselves salaries and stuff like that. It is to fund capital investment in bringing and upgrading and bringing the spaceships to market quicker. It's all about scaling up. Of course, once you've if you're Tesla or if you're SPCE, what you need to do is scale up. You've got the best rocket, you've got the best car. Now how do you scale up? And that's what the money is for. So because of that raising of capital, it puts them in debt. Of course, it drops the stock price. That's what happens. So right now you've got an opportunity to buy in at 10.19. I bought 170 shares this morning at 11.25. Of course, I didn't get the very, the very lowest price, but I did manage to get the price for 11.25, which at one point I was paying $35, $40 a share for Virgin Galactic. So that's a pretty good deal as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, there we are. That's what's happened. And of course, the price has tanked. Now, barcoding is when you've got the price going up and down, huge amounts of volume and doing micro trades. Now, let's have a look. If we go to the SPCE chart, we'll discuss it. Is this barcoding? Now, what barcoding is done by algorithms. It's not people doing trades. It's algorithms doing trades, and they are making lots and lots of trades very, very quickly in their millions every few seconds. It's how a lot of money is made on the stock market, and that is algorithms. It's not people. It's computers buying and selling, buying and selling. Now, I don't know if we are yet at barcoding. That's when no one is buying or selling the stock. That is when just it's barcoding and computers are making all these positions. I don't think that's what's happening right now, but you may disagree. Let me go over to the trading screen right now and have a look at it again. Agree, didn't want to buy before the cash raise. Now it looks like a bargain to me. They can start to get real work done now. Bought at 10.14. Oh, lucky you. Oh my God. 10.14. Do you realize how much I paid for this stock? I am down now nearly $10,000 on this stock. It's only showing down 4,000, but I bought it higher. I've repositioned. This is dire straits for me right now. This is very painful to watch. I didn't expect this to happen, and there it is. I'm on my knees with it right now. I don't think that this is barcoding, because if I look at Hood, let's go to Hood right now. Hood has a similar thing. If we go over to Hood right now on the chart, you will see very tight candles together like that. A lot of movement. I don't think that is barcoding either. Some people have suggested this is barcoding going on. I'm not convinced that's what it is, because when barcoding kicks in, no one's buying the stock. All we've got then is people setting up algorithms to trade it. I don't think that's what's going on. You might disagree with me. Tell me what you think in the chat. But when it starts doing that, it means we could be in for a period of no activity, just sideways trading. And then it'll explode. Hi, Leah. Leah's in the house. Thank you very much indeed. Good to have you here. If you've just joined, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell, and smash the like button. We're very, very quiet this afternoon. We've been quiet the last couple of days. I notice when the markets are down, people tend not to be here as much. I've noticed that. When we're having up days, we have a lot more traders. When it's like this, people are out. People are out. They're just sitting out waiting. So it makes it very difficult for me, because there's hardly anybody here to talk to. But for those of you that have made the effort, thank you very much indeed for being here. All the stocks are down. Look at Boeing, though, today, up 3.5%, 3.16. Awesome day for Boeing today. BA, absolutely fantastic. Thank you ever so much for joining me over on TikTok. We've got a great audience there today. And thank you everyone on TikTok who's followed me. Over 10,400 followers now on TikTok. So thank you very much indeed for that. Apple is down 1.51. Ethereum is down today. Look at 3%. And Bitcoin has crashed as well, back down 3% today. I sold my position today, or at least I sold some. I've still got $5,000 in it, but I trimmed off some this morning. I'm glad I did. That was a perfect thing to do. That's why it's always important to take profits. But I then bought into Virgin Galactic, and then that dropped down. I wish I'd waited a little bit longer, but I had no idea that it was going to continue going sideways. So very, very difficult today. Anyway, there it is. Not a lot going on. Not a lot to talk about. It's a tough day. We're just testing the subscriber and the super chat. There we go. Making sure that's working. If you subscribe to the channel live during the show, that's what will happen. And we're all good. Had a very exciting conversation today with Restream. Restream is a company that I use, a platform that I use, which I use to broadcast to multiple streams. And they're interested today in talking to me about sponsoring my channel. Very excited about that, as you can imagine. A lot going on behind the scenes at the moment. Good evening, Patty. How are you tonight? I didn't get those pictures yet. Have you sent in your pictures with your t-shirts? Love to see those. Of course, tomorrow it is the cash giveaway. Tomorrow in our stream, we are doing this tomorrow. You know all about it. Tomorrow, live in the show, we'll be giving away some cash to one of you. There are 22 members now, and your name will be on this list. And we'll give away some cash, but you need to be in to win it. It's how it works. All right, that's tomorrow. That's happening tomorrow. Very excited about that. So it should be a lot of fun tomorrow, live on the Day Trader. I'm not sure where the money's coming from to do the giveaway, but it's coming because I promised it, and I always deliver on my promises. All right, that's tomorrow. But right now we are watching our big one, the big news of the day, Virgin Galactic's what we're all talking about. Oh, here he is, Dr. Nathan Smith in the house. How are you, Doctor? Lovely to have you here. Let's bring in our overlays right now, the ticker and the other ticker. There we go. How are you today, Dr. Smith? We're having a tough day today. You've probably heard that Virgin Galactic have raised some money. Of course, it's like they did before when they raised money. It dropped the stock. Now they've done it again to raise some more money. As you can see, it's dropped the stock price dramatically. I never expected to fall this far. Alicia and Patricia, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've just joined me, subscribe and ring the bell. It's a very, very tough day. Very, very tough day indeed. I'm stressed at the moment. I am. I'm calm. I'm happy with my position. I'm just stressed. It's not nice seeing this happen. It's not nice, and it completely paralyzes my market as well. Nothing I'm doing. I mean, look at it, down 6% now. This is my worst ever day. Yep, all-time lows today. Worst ever day. It's hard. It's hard when you believe in a stock and you know it's good and the company's good, but you go through periods like this. I mean, look, everything today is on its knees. It's very, very difficult now to know where to go. Right now, in situations like this, I can't do anything. Completely paralyzed, and it's getting worse. I can't believe that we're seeing this drop so much now. Hello, Queen. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. No, she's not, is she? Alicia just said, hello, Queen. But I don't see Queen in the show. No, I don't see Queen in the show. Maybe I missed it. I don't know. So anyway. Oh, we just got another subscriber to the channel. That's cool. Didn't see that pop up. I missed that. Someone subscribed to the channel. Didn't see it. Good evening, everybody. We're just here today to support each other. Very, very difficult time right now, and all we can do is hold off and wait. That's all we're doing right now. Is holding and waiting. So we were discussing a barcoding. What is barcoding? Barcoding is when algorithms trade a stock multiple times in seconds, and it was suggested to me that SPCE is barcoding. I'm not convinced of that right now. There's Queen. There she is. She's just come on in. Lovely to see you, Queen. How are you this afternoon? I feel the same as you, Martin, today. Yeah, it's just like, so frustrating. Bartos, evening all space is killing me. You're not kidding. We're here just to support each other today. That's all we're doing. I was in a meeting. It's funny because Patty and Alicia said, hello, Queen, before you even arrived. I don't know how they knew that. No idea. Dr. Nathan Smith, can I tell you this, because you'll appreciate this. I had a back spasm, and I've got cyclobenzaprine. And I took that last night, and just one tablet, and right now it's making me feel very drowsy. It's very difficult right now for me to be in this chair. cyclobenzaprine. It's like a muscle relaxant. I had a spasm in my back, and sometimes I take it to relax, and it's making me very drowsy right now, and it's very difficult to speak and concentrate. I will tell you that right now. Anyway, always look forward and plan your next move. Tomorrow's another day. It really hurts on days like these, but stick to your guns, and this will be a small blip in your portfolio. Stay strong. Do check. I love that. Thank you very much for that support. Very nice of you. Appreciate it very much indeed. I am 20%, 28% up because of my BBIG, but the rest, nay. 28% up. Wow. Let's have a look. Let's BBIG. Let's have a look at it. BBIG. Is that on Vinco Ventures? Is that right? That makes sense. Yeah, it's like, oh, I'm drowsy. I'm like, my eyes are like that sort of thing. And talking, I feel like slurring. Like, yeah. I feel a bit like that. It's really hard. Cyclobenzaprine, yes. Yeah, it's like, it takes a good few hours for it to kick in, but when it kicks in, it's like, I took it last night before I went to bed, and I was feeling it this afternoon. It's a little bit worse now. That's why I'm drinking Coke. I'm trying to give myself a boost. It's like, bloody hell, this is difficult. Anyway, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. Wow, look at that. It's a consumer products and digital marketing company. Its brands include 911, Help Global Clean Solutions, 4 Keeps Roses, Purple Mountain Clean, and Royalty Streams. There we go. How long has it been around? Let's have a look. It IPO'd back here in May 18, and the usual pop, drop back down, drop, spiked up, back down again. Okay, that's what we're talking about. Let's have a look. So over the last year, it's up 143%. Then it went down again the last 3 months. And now, yeah, look at that. Vinco Ventures. Wow. Wow. There you go. That's what the Queen of Self-Braiding is in right now. I'm glad the doctor's in the house. Hey, Leah, those muscle relaxers have sort of kicked in now. I'm feeling, yeah. Oh, I'm all drowsy. My eyes are all like that. The Dr. Smith's in the house, and he's saying, yeah, that makes sense. So I've got a doctor on hand. Help me out. Very nice. You get proper drugs in the USA. Yeah. Oh dear. It's like, what does life throw at you? You're flipping. I got prescribed ibuprofen when I broke my leg. Yeah. It's a bit different here. You get cyclobenzaprine. It's a muscle relaxer, and from time to time, I've actually got 6 discalated. What's the word I'm looking for? What's the name of my disc, Leah? Not discalated, is it? What are my discs called? They're not discalated, are they? What is it? In my back? Bulging discs. That's it. I've got 6 bulging discs. That's what I meant to say. I've got 6 discalated discs. I thought, what the hell? This is the cyclobenzaprine. Yeah, I've got 6 bulging discs in my back. It's after years of touring and carrying equipment and moving around. So now from time to time I take some muscle relaxant, and when it does that, it knocks me out. So yeah, that's why I'm struggling. Good evening, John Osborne. Tomorrow is the big cash giveaway for members only. If you want to be a member, here it is. Let's see if we can get someone in. If you want to be in the cash giveaway tomorrow, here is the invitation to join. You all know what happens tomorrow. In the opening bell tomorrow, we have a raffle. There's a 1 in 22 chance of winning. This is the raffle tomorrow. Here it is. And we'll be doing this raffle here. One of you is going to win the cash prize tomorrow. I've said I would do it every Friday, and I will, even though all my stocks are bleeding and all the rest of it. But that's tomorrow, live in the raffle. Here it is. This is the raffle. We're getting very excited about that. Let me show you. See, this will be it tomorrow. Continue. No, this is the raffle. This is all your names are in here. And we'll be running it tomorrow. Look out for your names, look. All right? That's tomorrow, live in the show. It's going to be good, right? There you go. Good evening, says George Osborne. George Osborne. That's the same name as the... George Osborne is the... Chancellor of the, or used to be the Chancellor of the Exchequer in London. That's absolutely brilliant in Parliament. We've got George Osborne in today. We've got a money man in. He knows all about money. Hey, wouldn't it be amazing if it was the real George Osborne? If it was the real George Osborne, the guy who was the Chancellor of the Exchequer for the British government, that would be pretty amazing. We would like that. Get some top tips there, wouldn't we, eh? Brilliant. Brilliant. Tesla is now falling down. Look, 6% today. Can you believe this? Oh, dear, oh, dear. Rivian is down 6%. Everybody help. Oh, thanks for my coffee. $10.07 now. Now, if it hits 10... If it hits 10, it could bounce. We've got somebody, I'll show you. Somebody or an institution or something has 50,000 shares of Virgin Galactic on order. Rio Tinto Holding. Here it is. Here's Virgin Galactic. I'll share with you. Look at this. This is the orders coming in now. Look, if it hits 10, 55,000. Look at this. I'm going to share this with you. So some people are saying if it hits $10, which it's close to, it will pop up. Look, we have 55,000 shares ordered. This is level 2 market data. This gives you very, very good information of where the markets are going. And if you look there, you will see 55,000 shares are ordered at $10, and we're just 6 cents away. If that happens, see that there, look? 56,000 at $10. 10.05. Will it pop up? Are we about to see Virgin Galactic pop up? Who knows? 56,000 buy-in would certainly bump it up. No question about that. So we'll see. 10.06, 10.08. It's getting very, very close. We'll come back to that. We'll see what happens. Rio Tinto Holding. Thank you, George Osborne. Thank you very much indeed. If you've just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. We're in for a tough day today. There's a lot going on the market. We're having a very, very tough day. So if you are with us today, hold on. If you believe in Virgin Galactic, if it's the stock of your choice, nothing's changed. Fundamentals haven't changed. All you've got is a company raising funds to upgrade their spaceships. That's part of good management. Part of good management. That's not a reason to fear or get out of the market at all. But that's where we are right now. As you can see, don't panic. I'm not panicking at all. Not even slightly. I'm just frustrated. It's frustrating because I like to trade. I like to be involved in the markets. And right now I'm paralyzed. I'm paralyzed because everything is... Oh, 10.04. Will it... I'm watching that order at 54. There's 55,000 now at $10. Are we going to see it pop up? 10.04. And remember, the level 2 isn't completely clear. the markets do like to the market makers do like to hide behind it. It's not clear. No one's going to create a clear, guaranteed way to make money. It's not going to be completely clear, but we'll see what happens. All we can do is watch and wait. All we can do right now is watch and wait. 10:04, 10:03. It's getting close to the 10. Are we going to see it bounce when that happens? People are going to start buying in again. Because it's 10:03. Woof. Very, very, very close. So we're going to watch it, keep our eye on it. We've got half an hour before the market closes. It's going to be a very, very tight afternoon. I can see that. $10:04. I'm going to watch it very closely and see where we go with it. Queen of Self-Braiding is saying, don't panic. I'm not. I'm just frustrated at the moment. It's difficult in this situation to do anything. I can't trade anything. I can't sell anything. I can't buy anything. I can't do anything. I'm completely paralyzed at the moment. 10:03. Getting closer to that 10. We're watching it. We're keeping our eye on it. When it hits 10, it will trigger 55,000 shares get bought. That's a lot of shares. 10:08, 10:09, 10:10, 12. Are we getting something here? What's happening now? $10.12. It's the first bit of movement we've seen all day. It's just been sideways. Coming in 10:14. That's interesting. Let's have a look. Are those orders still there? Yep, 55,000 at 10. Don't forget they could change their position and suddenly decide to buy it at this. $10.12 right now. Where are we going to go? If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell. And give us a thumbs up as well. Testing, testing, testing. Is there anybody out there? Yes, we're here, Bill. We've not seen you for days. Where have you been? Hey, just got us just got a subscription. No wrench. Yeah, we've explained that, Bill. We explained it. Hiya, Bill. I've been trying to talk to you for a couple of days. You keep coming in and out of the stream. I keep missing you. You've been deleting. You deleted Patty and you deleted Alicia. So I had to remove your moderator wrench again. Unfortunately, there we go. Consa Diffie, what's up? We got a guest here just come into the show. Let me put his name on the screen. There we go. What's up? How are you this afternoon? Welcome. Locked out, couldn't get in. Access defined. No idea what that means, mate. No idea why that is. Just subscribed. Oh, fantastic. Thank you much indeed, mate. Right, well, first of all, then, you've just subscribed, so thank you so much indeed for subscribing. Let's get to meet our guest. Our guest is Consa Diffie. Where are you from? So, full disclosure, right off the bat, let me tell you a bit about me. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted World Piano Man. This is my TV studio you see behind me. And I trade by daytime, and I'm a musician in the evening. That's what I do. And this is my real money, my real trades. I'm sharing with you level 2 market data now from Virgin Galactic. That's what we're looking at on the screen right now. And everything you see here is genuine. The whole family are all traders. Real people here to support you. And so the first thing I want to ask you is where you're from. I'm from Cornwall in United Kingdom, in England, but my studio is here in Texas. My studio is here in Texas, Dallas, Texas. That's where I am now. So we've got a new guest, and what I call everybody on their first day is a guest. If you come regularly, you are a friend of the family, and if you are a member, if you join, you are an invested member, and you get lots of perks. And you've come at the right time, because tomorrow we do a cash giveaway. A cash giveaway tomorrow for all members. There's the invitation to join. You get lots and lots of perks and benefits as a member. And tomorrow we are doing a cash giveaway. So we're doing this. This is what you'll see tomorrow. We're doing this here. We're doing a raffle. And we've got 22 members. We're a pretty new channel. We've only been around 6 months. If you become a member, you get lots of benefits, including you will be in the raffle tomorrow for the cash prize. That's tomorrow. So join us if you're interested in that. We'd love to have you with us. All right. These are some of our fans here. Let me share with you. This is Dr. Nathan Smith. He's here today. Muzanella. These are all our biggest traders. Robert Durant, Dave Mottram, Queen. You might notice they've all got one of my mugs. They all collected one of my mugs. We've got Genius. We've got Bill. Bill's got a mug, and Anna Fleece, and a mask. Can you believe it? And there's Patty April from Italy. So welcome, welcome, welcome to all of you. And there you go. So welcome, Consa Diffie. Please let us know where you're from. Very strange things happen, don't you think, Bill? Yeah, always. I wouldn't know how to do whatever happened. I only use moderate as a link thing. Everything else I haven't got a clue. I don't know, Bill, but it just keeps happening. You must be pressing something. When you said you wasn't in, we actually saw you pop in a couple of times, and you pop back out again. So I don't know. Anyway, could everybody put their cities and countries in? Because we've got someone who's just subscribed, who just come into the show. He goes by the name of Consa Diffie. There you go. He's just come in as a guest, but he's just subscribed. I have 9 mugs with another on the way. Yes, you do. You won a mug yesterday a few days ago from Muzanella. Yes, they're on the way to you. Yes, indeed you do. You could start your own little shop of day trader items. Absolutely fantastic. Oh my God, Bill. Yeah. He's got all the Chinese ones. He had them all made for him to send around the world. That's what that was all about. And yeah, really, really good. There we go. I'm very new to trading. I've made 10,000 from Shiba and I want to invest in something else. Well, I am new as well. I started 6 months ago with $5,500 and I've grown it up to 58, and now we've had a couple of months now where things have dropped back, as you can see. So we're having a tough time right now, and you can ask and speak to all the traders. If you are a member, you can take part in our 24-hour stream as well, where we have breaking news. It comes out, people post it into a live show, and many, many things. 2 more for a dozen. Yeah. Here are some of the perks that you get as a member. Let me show you on the screen right now. But if you click that link, it'll take you to there. Now, if you're new to trading, what country are you in? Because I do have some free stocks. A lot of brokerages give me money for promoting their products, but what I like to do is give it back to you. I have lots that I give to you. So where are you from? Where you're from will depend in what I can give to you. So what country are you in? Well, I've made 15,000, but I started selling and buying again multiple times, and I dropped down to 10,000 because IDK. I'm from New York, the Bronx. Lovely stuff. Well, welcome. We've got a guy in here who's one of our gold members. He's actually from New York. He's called the New York Man. And cool. Well, nice to meet. SPCE has definitely been oversold today. The market cap has lost more than the cash being raised today. I'm hoping for a run up near close. I don't know. IDK 10,000 because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. I got you. I didn't know all these abbreviations. I had no idea what that meant. Okay, I don't know. All right then. Well, you can learn today. That's what we're about. I've grown my portfolio from listening to everybody here in the live chat, and we've got some very, very big traders. We've got people that are investing $1 million on SPCE, 100 contracts today. We've got some very big traders in here and some very small traders. Everybody's here. And are you a YouTuber or a TikToker? Because one of the features you get as a member is you get featured on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So these guys here, these are our silver members. They get on my YouTube channel, and every day I promote them. And here's the New York Man. This guy is down the road from you. He subscribed yesterday, became a gold member, and now we put his YouTube channel on our homepage, and we also drop it in the link. So I don't know if you're a YouTuber at all and you're wishing to grow online, because if you are, I'll help you with that, and I will get you subscribers every single day. Real subscribers live here in the show. All right? Really, really good. Certified. Do you guys have a group chat? Yes, we do. We do have a group chat. We have much more than that. We have lots of things. Let me give you the all links button. And we have a 24-hour YouTube stream. When I go offline, I'm live here every morning for the opening close show. Okay, you don't do that. That's fine. Check SPCE. It's going down. Yes, we know. We have got SPCE. This is my position. I've invested over $20,000 in it. It's the biggest part of my portfolio. So I know. Trust me. I know about it. There we go. Let me bring him let me bring this guy up here. So if you've just joined us, welcome to the studio. My name is Martyn Lucas, and this is my studio. You are here live with us today as we look at Virgin Galactic, the biggest part of my portfolio, collapse. It's because the company have raised money to build their new spaceships. It's good management. Virgin Galactic, run by Sir Richard Branson. He knows what he's doing. And 202, when we hit 10, When we hit 10, we've got 55,000 shares about to be bought. 55,000 shares when it hits 10. About to be bought. Look at that. Very, very close now. Very, very close. What am I talking about? I'll share with you. Look, I'll show you right now. Timothy Adams is here. When's the blood going to stop spilling? That's a very good question. Very good question indeed. Look, here we go. I'll show you. 60,000 shares now queuing up at $10. We're about to get a bounce. Look at it. Let me share with you right now on the screen. When it hits $10,000, this is level 2 data that I'm sharing with you now. Look, 60,000 shares at $10. Look at that. Once we hit $10, it could hit there any moment and then it will bounce right back up again. That's my prediction. That's what I expect to happen when that $10,000 order is filled. 10:03, 10:02. Very, very exciting. If you've just joined us, smash the like button and subscribe. There we go. And hit the thumbs up button. Tomorrow, live in the show, we give away a cash prize. We do it every Friday live on the show. If you are one of my members, you'll be in the raffle tomorrow. We've only got 22 members. This is exclusive to members. 10:02 right now. We're watching it very closely. If you want to be a member, here's the invitation to join. It's below on the browser. There we go. That's tomorrow. Lots and lots of benefits. And if you are a YouTuber, I promote your YouTube channel. Let me bring in some of our members. Let me show you our bronze members, first of all, on the screen. There you go. Smash the likes here. We got a big, big day coming up. Tomorrow is the live cash giveaway as we have 60,000 shares right to be purchased at $10 a share. Do you have to pay for level 2 data? Yes, you do. It's one of the perks you get, though, as a member. I share that 24/7 on the live show. So if you are a member, you can get all this information off air when I'm finished here. All right, so there's all our bronze members. Let's bring in our silver members now. SPCE boarding, is that person calling in to give us an insight on this? Is that person calling it? No one's called in. No one's called in, Robert. What do you mean? No one's called in. Right, 10:03, we're holding now. When that hit 10:02, 59,800 shares. I'll share it with you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Here it is, level 2 data. See it? 60,000 shares now. 60,200 shares now. All lining up at $10. When it hits $10, it could pounce up. This is level 2 data. You don't get this. I'm sharing. You have to pay extra for this. I'm sharing it with you. From this morning, you said they can call in. Yes, you can. Anyone can call in. If any of my members can call in. If you are a member and you want to call in live to the show and tell us what you think about barcoding and what you think, you can be in this screen here. If you want to be live in the show, you have to be a member. You can call in and be on the show. All right? You will be in this position here. All right? There we go. So if you want to be live in the show, you can be here. And it's for members only. If you request it, I will open up. I will give you the link. All right? Okay. We're watching the trade. 10:04 now. 10:04. 10:03. When it hits 10, we've got just coming up to 13 minutes before the bell goes. So we're going to see a bounce when it hits 10. Look at the. I'll show you now. Look at the level 2 data piling up on the bids, not the asks. The bids are piling up. And when we hit 10, it will trigger those 60,000 trades. Let me bring in our gold members now. There we go, our gold members. Good afternoon, everybody. Exciting day, a lot going on. We're about to watch Virgin Galactic bounce back up again. It's the biggest part of my portfolio. I've been investing it. I keep buying the dips because it's a great company. You need to understand Richard Branson and what they're doing. They're borrowing money to finance the company. There's nothing wrong with that. They're raising funds. They're not raising it to pay salaries and stuff like that. They're raising it to move into the market quicker. Well, they've sold the first 100 flights. I mean, how could you be more confident than that? They've already sold the flights. Danny PR, ho hoi. I've no idea what that says. Holo hoi, that's a different language. What language is that? Danny.pr. Welcome to the show. No idea what that means, but welcome anyway. Okay. We're keeping an eye on it. SPCE is falling, 10.03. Rivian, everything is down. Look at Rivian, down to 7% today. Everything now is falling. My entire portfolio is collapsing right in front of your eyes. This is my real money, my real savings, guys. This is genuine stuff right now that you are seeing. Oh my God, that's the lowest I've ever been. There we go. Right, Bitcoin and Ethereum as well has dropped. Everyone is selling out on high risk stocks. Look at Boeing though, moved up 2.56. Apple is down. Everything is down now. Oh man. Right, one of our let's do some good for one of our members. Have we got Mark Korn in the house? Is Mark Korn here? Mark Korn's one of our members. If Mark Korn is in the house, I'll promote his YouTube channel if he's here. He's a member on he's a member on the Day Trader. His YouTube channel is on the homepage of my channel, and I'll promote him as long as he's here. If he's not, we'll wait until he comes in. Places a box of tissues on the table. Yeah. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay. SPCE today, they launch according to what they said is the third commercial flight. Today, they did not launch. You're talking about Virgin Orbital. Virgin Orbital is not. Sorry, Google Trans. Yeah, you're talking about Virgin Orbit, not Virgin Galactic. They are different companies. We are all crying. Yeah, we're all in a lot of pain right now. But it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it in a situation like this. All we can do is hold on. 10.02 right now. 10.02. And we've got how many bids now? 70,000 bids. 70,000. Whoa, look at this. We are about to pop up Virgin Galactic. Look at this. You need to see this. This is the most important piece of information of the day. Look at this right now. Virgin Galactic has 70,000 and 10,000. 80,000 now between 10.01 and 10. Look at that. 111,000, 114,000 are being sold at 10.03 and bought back at 10.01. See that? Huge volume now. Coming in. 114,000, 110,000 at 10.03 to buy, to sell, and then to buy in. That to me looks like barcoding going on. That's what I think is going on right now. You tell me, do you have more experience on that than I do? Smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up, guys. Come into the live chat. Let's ask you in the poll. Okay, here we go. Is Virgin about to pop? Yes or no? I'll put a poll in the chat for you. It's approaching that point. 10.03, 10.02. It's only got to go down one more. 101 will be sold at 103, 102. If it drops any more, we're going to get a big movement. $10.02 now. There is the level 2 data for you. You can see it live on the screen. That's what you need to look at. Don't take it as face value, though. Of course, the market makers manipulate the figures, make it very difficult for us to know what's going on. The poll suggests so far. Let's have a look. 50-50, 4 votes. 2 say yes, 2 don't know. 60% saying yes now. 10.02. %60 say yes. Wow. 10.03 now on Virgin Galactic. But everything is tanking. Look at my portfolio now. We are down now. 4.5%, $43,000. Tesla is down 7%. Rivian is down 7%. SPCE is down. So sad, it is indeed. What a crash. What a crash. But what you need to look at, Caden Youngquist is here, our youngest investor. And what you need to look at, 10.03, 10.02. If it goes below 10, we're going to get an almighty movement. My amazing man, Martin, and of course the greatest supportive trader team. Yes, indeed. Thank you ever so much, Sam, for that. Here's Mr. Elton John's in the house. All right, here we go. Let's look at the level 2 data again. You can see it now. We've got 64,000. We've got 11,000 lined up at 10.02. Let's look at the chart as well. Let's go to the Spce chart. Right, we're now seeing the volume increase. The volume is now increasing. If I share with you that screen, you can see the volume is starting to increase. Look, it's moving up, approaching the highest of the days. So when it crashed this morning, it could bounce back up tonight. See it? Very, very important screen, that is. Whoa. 10.03. Largest bids at 10. Yep. They are 64,000. There were 70,000 a moment ago. People are moving it around. Let's go back to the bids. You can see right there, Virgin Galactic now, if it hits 10, it's going to go almighty. Oh, dear, oh dear. It's not comfortable watching it like this at all. Not comfortable. At all. Tesla starting to, a little pickup. I got a buy order limit at 10. You have. Rivian, starting to come up now. We've got some ridiculous lows now. Everyone's sold out big time. We got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. James Dowling, they keep in above 10 so they can sell out of hours, mate. I've been away. What's your opinion? Listen, nothing's changed. My belief in Virgin is the same. This is greedy people selling out, people not understanding the markets. I mean, I mean, I've invested again and again. I've now got, look, 920 shares now. If I buy any more shares, they're going to have to rename it to the Martyn Lucas Galactic. I forgot to put like on the page. Sorry. There we go. I really believe too. It's all fear. Yes, it is. It is all fear. It's just very frustrating. I'm not fearful at all. I'm not in the slightest fearful. But I am frustrated though. I am frustrated. My portfolio has never been this low. I can't seem to get out of this situation at all. So there we go. I just market profit. These are the best times. I can't wait until we get a good 10-15% crash, and then we'll be getting near fair value to get back in. Everything is overvalued right now. If you price in 4 rate hikes this year, S&P should be nearly 3,500. I'll do it later, the live stream. There we go. Market profit. This is what he's saying. 10.03. Once we hit 10, it could pop up. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Tomorrow, of course, is the cash giveaway for all our members. If you click here, I've posted it in the chat right now. You'll be a member tomorrow. And we've got the cash giveaway tomorrow in the morning. 10.03, 10.02. It's hovering around there now. Here's the cash giveaway in the morning. If your name is on here, you are in the running for the prize tomorrow. So join us in the morning for the opening bell, and you could be in to win some money in the morning. If it doesn't hit $10, do you think it's a bloody out of hours? Most certainly. It doesn't want to go down to 10. 10.02. If you look here, I'll share with you the orders. Look, here are the orders. Look, there are the orders. At 10, oh, there we go. 10 is now gone. Where have all those orders gone? They must have been fulfilled. Hang on. The orders are cancelled. They're not there anymore. This is what I was telling you. Never use leveled market 2 data as black and white. The market makers who use this manipulate it to hide things, to get you to do certain things, to get you to sell out or buy in. So the market is being manipulated right now. That order at 10 has disappeared. Level 2 fake out. Whoa, look at that. It's all a fake right now on level 2. Look at that. Those orders at 10 have gone. 10.10. All of a sudden popped up to 10.10. Let's go back to the trading screen and you'll see what I mean. Okay. The hours with the bell has gone. We're in the after hours now. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. The bell has gone. We're in the after hours, and let's see what happens. The overall portfolio is still falling. We're down nearly 5% today. Ethereum is slowly coming up, but drop. Bitcoin is now coming up, finally over. Yeah, what an awful day it's been. An absolutely awful day today. If you've just joined us, I'm going to put a minute on the clock. I want to get 1 minute on the clock. I want to get to 20 likes. 20 likes in a minute. Come on, guys. There's more watching than have liked the video. Help me out. Let's get these stocks to start moving now in the after hours. Day limits cancelled at the bell. That's what happened. All the day limits were cancelled at the bell. Down days are the best days for long-term. Yeah, they are indeed. Totally get it. I'm right with you. 19 likes. One more like, guys. Let's smash the like button. Yes, mine were cancelled. They all are. Let's go to Virgin right now. SPCE. It's up 0.1 after hours. We're up to 10.04. Yay, we've done it. We've done it. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. We've got 24 likes. Look at that. That's better. That's more like it. Right. So all the orders got cancelled. Right. We've now got new orders coming in. And you want to see them? You want to see the new orders that are coming in? So now we've learned that the orders get cancelled on the bell. Let me share with you the new orders that have been placed. So at 10 we have 12,000 ordered. There you go. I'll share with you again. Level 2 data there. Down 12% also mine. Cade and I agree. Tesla is going down again. Rivian is going down again. Virgin Galactic now 10:03. We're in the after hours now. Oh, can you believe it? Don't forget to join us in the morning for the cash giveaway. You need to be a member if you want to be part of the raffle in the morning. All the mugs, those of you that want a mug, they've all been sent out now. Is Virgin about to pop? 56% say yes. So it's pretty tight. Pretty tight. Okay, we've got to pay the bills. Everybody refresh the screen. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. We're watching it now. Virgin Galactic is the story of the day. Now, what's happened? So what's happened is, it happened earlier in the year. If you remember, it happened earlier in the year. They raised capital and they diluted the stock, and the stock price dropped just after their flight, their test flight, and it dropped. And when it would have gone up, they did it just after their flight and it dropped. And that's what's happened again. People have sold out because they don't understand why they're in it in the first place. It's a bit like the Bitcoin story. It's a bit like BitBoy on the YouTube channel. He told everybody he would sell out at 40,000. It hit 39,000 and he didn't sell out. It's manipulation, market manipulation. And then it was, now he might sell out when it hits 39,000. It's a constant manipulation, constant FUD, constant nonsense. Everything you hear on this channel is real and genuine. This is my real money. I'm trading live. I get very, very frustrated with people that try to manipulate the market, who tell you one thing and then something else just to benefit themselves. You'll never get that from me on this channel. I'm telling you, this is my real money and this is what I'm really doing. And this is my life savings. This isn't a pot of money I've got on the side. This is all I've got. I have a larger buy order for Virgin at 660. That's the next support level. That looks fair value. What? Why don't we just make it 1 cent and just give it away? This is going to be the biggest, one of the biggest companies in the world. And everybody thinks it should be for free. It's not for free. It's going to be phenomenal. They've already sold the tickets, people. Where I live in England, a few minutes down the road from my house, they are now building the spaceport, the Virgin spaceport. That is where people can fly into space and land in Cornwall. Literally minutes from my house. All right? This is not a company that's going away. This company is not going to go bankrupt. This company is going to do well. 660. Oh, man. It will be big, but the current prices show revenue and profitability in 2029. That's got nothing to do with the stock price. Once we get the flights happening, which will be later this year, which is 22, which is 7 years before 2029, people will be buying in. You'll see it go up then. Remember Amazon stock from $100 to $6 to $7, and now $3.5 exactly. We've got a wonderful guest here. Thanks for joining us. Lovely to have you here. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm actually the world piano man as voted by Sir Elton John. This is my live TV studio you see behind me here. And, oh, Alex Hunt just subscribed. Thanks, Alex. Hey, evening all. Julius Caesar, how are you? Here's our level 2 data on Virgin Galactic. We're seeing all kinds of market manipulation going on now. Thank you, Alex, for becoming a subscriber. There we go. Absolutely awesome. Alex Hunt. I didn't even know Alex Hunt wasn't a subscriber. He comes in every day. But anyway, evening all. Julius Caesar, welcome to you. I'm good. I'd love to be able to pronounce this guy's name. Because someone tell me what language that is so we can welcome him in. Welcome Alex Hunt. There we go. Awesome stuff. If you want to be in for the draw tomorrow, here is the membership. If you want to join and support and help me run this channel only operates and is funded by the membership, and in return I give you lots and lots of perks. I agree with market profit. Yes, indeed. It will be a big, but the current price is... Yes. Yeah, but that's not taking into account forward investing, forward thinking at the... of the company. We're buffering again. Oh, terrific. A little bit of buffering going on there. Apologise for that. PE ratios and forward earnings show that it'll be a profitable company in 2029. It's all good. If all goes good at 60/60, it's fair value. Look, that is like saying then Tesla isn't worth 10.028. Exactly the same. It's an investment for the future. It's hard to accept, Martin, but listen to market profit. He knows the market. No, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, but the markets don't work that way. The markets don't work that way. Look at what we're paying for Rivian. Look at what we're paying for Tesla. We're buying into the future of the company. That's what we're doing. Markets have got nothing to do with the value of the company. They've got everything to do with people's expectations for where the company is going. We can have companies that do really well and the profits drop. We can have companies that do really badly and the profit and the stock price goes up. Stock prices just reflect human behavior, human reaction for sentiment. Yeah, YouTube has been flaky all week. Alex Hunt. My phone seems to have a different account. That's weird. Yeah, you've logged in with a different account. So, Alex, very nice to have you here. It's also like saying Amazon is worth 10,000 a share because it'll be worth that in 50 years' time. I totally agree with you. I totally agree. I have been saying for months now. No, sorry, weeks now. Rivian is only actually worth $20 a share. I've been saying that all the time, and it popped up to 170 on IPO day. I know that. Totally agree with you on what you're saying. But people invest because of hype, because of dreams to the future. That's how the market works. The market very rarely is on the value of what it actually is. Remember, I've always said I don't invest on the price. I invest on the value of where a company's going. See you tomorrow, James. Hopefully a better day for space. I hope so too. I hope so too. So just mark my words. When we get the next test flight, the market will pop up. And why do I know that? Well, it's done it already 3 times. Look, every time we have a test flight, this happens. Test flight 1, test flight 2. These are the test flights. And now we've got the rocket. Now we've got the customers. And we've sold the tickets. This is just overselling. And if it wasn't overselling, if it was genuinely about the value of the stock, why on earth has Tesla dropped at the same time? Rivian dropped, SPCE, Lucid. Look, they're all doing the same thing. Are you telling me all these companies are doing bad and terrible and no good? No. Not at all. That's not what I believe at all. Right now, markets want companies that make money and pay dividends like Cat D, Apple, McDonald's, and so on and so forth. Yes, they do, because the markets are scared and people want to move into more reliable stocks. But there's nothing reliable about any stock. Any stock can go to zero. It has nothing to do with the value of the company. It never has had. It's to do with people and their reaction to the market. That's the problem these days. People have taken away all fundamentals and only consider what people's excitement level is. Exactly. I totally agree with you. Totally agree with you. That makes the stock market a casino, very dangerous to new investors. You're absolutely right, Market Profit. You're absolutely right. I totally agree with what you're saying. 100%. 100% I agree with what you just said there. But so understanding that, then you need to then react that way. So for me, even though it's years away from profit, I get it. It's like for example, DWAC. How many people bought into DWAC on that first day? And all it was a Donald Trump protest. And I know, because I made lots of money on DWAC on that first day. When DWAC first came out, look, I remember it. I was there when they halted it several times. They halted it. Let's go back and have a look at it. This is what happened. I remember it. I bought it here, sold it here, bought it here, sold it here. This was ridiculous. This was a ridiculous amount of buying going into this one. And for me, if you looked at Twitter, if you looked at Reddit, if you looked at all the online social media, it was all about a protest for Donald Trump. Got nothing to do with digital world acquisition. It's got and what they were making and what they were earning and so on. And people buying in, buying out. They wanted to make it the biggest stock in the world. It was unbelievably ridiculous. It should be the value of the stock. Martin, the people who invest on sentiment are playing a dangerous game in this climate. You're absolutely right. It should be the value of the stock, but it's not. And it never has been. They are just gambling. It's the fundamentals of a company that provide us solid investments. I agree 100%. And I know Sir Richard Branson. I know that he will not let this company fail. I know that he's got money that he can put in at any moment to bump it up. I know his passion for space and for flight. I know this company is going to do well. But this overselling is just the same as everything else that's overselling today. It has nothing to do with the market, nothing whatsoever. The Fed is removing liquidity to financial markets and reducing its balance sheet alongside rate hikes. That is very bad for high multiple growth. 2021, a hamster could make money no longer. You're absolutely right. I totally agree with everything you're saying. Totally agree with what you're saying. So for me right now, I'm doing absolutely nothing. I'm holding all my stocks, all my positions, and I mean, why is other than Boeing, look, why is every one of, if I go to my main portfolio and look down, look, everything is turned red today. If we scroll down here, everyone talks about fundamentals. Fundamentals is how it should work, but the market doesn't work that way. Look, every single stock has gone down. Look at it. McDonald's has done well. MasterCard's done well. Look at that. Virtually everything has gone down. And now we've got it. And now we've got that leaking into crypto as well. Crypto is another example. People all the time not understanding what they've invested in with Bitcoin and crypto and all that stuff. Is now a good time to buy Virgin? Well, that depends whether you believe in it in the first place. I certainly do. I mean, I've got shares at $35. Every one of your stocks is a high growth multiple. Value stocks actually fared a lot better. No, I agree. But the companies that I've chosen to invest in are companies I believe will change the world for the better. I believe are companies of the future. It's why I love Tesla and I'm not a fan of Ford. So maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. All I know is it feels pretty crappy right now to watch all of this fall away. Market profit. Every one of your stocks is a high growth multiple. Value stocks actually fared a lot better. Thank you, market profit. Appreciate it very much indeed. Right now, what do you think about this? We asked the question today, is Spce barcoding? I studied barcoding when we went off air. It's when a stock goes up and down in high volume at small multiples, small amounts of price, very, very quickly, and creates a barcode image. And it's when algorithms are buying and selling huge amounts of stock for very, very small prices. Julius Caesar this morning suggested that's what's going on. Is that what's going on, and what does that mean? And now I see some buying coming in to Virgin Galactic. Look at the chart. I don't think barcoding is going on right now. I don't think barcoding is going on right now. From what I have read today, to me, this looks like people just selling out, and somebody has just bought in. Look at that barcode at the look at that candle at the end. Yes, market profit, which is why 90% of what I am in have low PR, like 20, and have positive earnings. I like your picks. They are the future. You just have to find the right price for them. Well, to me, yeah, you're right. But again, I don't care about the price. I don't care about the price. I care about the value of where it's going. Today, a Virgin stock's at $10, right? Right? In years to come, it could be anything. There's the upswing is far, far greater than it will never fail. It will never go bankrupt. That's not going to happen with Richard Branson, right? It will go up. So we've got 10 to 0 is a difference of 10. That's it. And then we've got 10 up to whatever it could go to. So of course it's a good price. Of course it's a good price right now. It doesn't matter if it was 11 or 12 or 30. It doesn't matter. The upswing is still far, far greater. I've been buying this now since it was 35. I've now got it, today I bought 11.25. Do I wish I'd waited to 10? Well, of course I do. I'd be stupid to say not. But do I care that I've paid 11? No. I've still got it for next to nothing. Yes, market profit, which is why, hang on. Let's have a look at BP for diversification in your portfolio, Martin. They are going green, albeit slowly. Thank you. I like how you said that. I like that. I will have a look. Ford is up 2.5% today. Positive EPS. Your portfolio is very tech heavy. Yes, it is. It is very tech heavy because that is the future. That is the future. If I could buy SpaceX, I'd buy it. If I could buy a global star for global internet, I'd buy it. As long as you're willing to hold for 5 to 10 years and not worried about profitability until then many of your stocks are a good long-term hold. Yes, Ford held up, Julius Caesar said. Oh, I feel I'm getting beaten up today. I feel like I am. I don't agree with, and it's good to have the discussion. I don't agree with market profit saying if you want to hold for 5 to 10 years. I do not agree with that. And I tell you why I say that. Because when we get the test flight, when we get the, in fact, we got, I think 1 or 2 flights. I think one more flight, I think, to go. I think it is. When we get that, and they announce the flight, you watch people buy back into Virgin. You watch. They will. They'll buy straight back in again. The same people that just sold out will buy straight back in again, but they'll pay more than I'm paying now because it will go up and up and up and up, and they'll miss out. And that won't be in 5 to 10 years. That'll be in the next few months. That'll be early part of January. Early part of this year. That will happen. I guarantee it. As eggs are eggs, and I sit here every day, I believe so. It's just opinions. It's worth having a bit of a banter. Bloody right it is. It's what it's all about. It's what it's all about. Don't forget, guys. Tomorrow is the cash giveaway. What cash giveaway? Yeah, in the morning I'm giving away some money. I must be bloody mental. Probably am mental. Tomorrow morning we've got this happening. Tomorrow morning we're giving away in the draw live cash to all our members. Not to all our members, but all our members will be in the draw. We have 22 members. There is your invitation to join. If you are a YouTuber or a TikToker, you got huge benefits of being a member of my channel, because I get to promote you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, just like I do here for New York Man, Hairy Bald Hulk, and Mark Korn right now. And there's more being added shortly. If you're a silver member upwards, you will be on here. And we've gained 971 now is Mark Korn. There's his channel. I'll put it in the link. We're promoting him. He's a silver member. And the Queen of Self Braiding says she's now up to 221, which is great. Have a look at Coco London and tell me what you think. Big swings, small spread. Let's have a look at that one, shall we? OSK up 3.9%. There we go. Top tips with Martyn Redding coming in today. A lot of new investors are feeling your pain. Nobody has experienced the pain of a 30% drawdown of their portfolio. Unfortunately, there has been so much euphoria, the majority can't survive a correction. That's right. Let's read that again. A lot of new investors are feeling your pain. Nobody has experienced the pain of a 30% drawdown of their portfolio. Unfortunately, there has been so much euphoria, the majority can't survive a correction. Well, that's why I always say, oh, Dan Williams just subscribed to the channel, everybody. We've got a new subscriber. Dan Williams has just subscribed to our channel. Thank you much indeed, Dan Williams. Appreciate you very much indeed. We're now 1,942 subscribers. Thank you very much indeed. M. Mercato. Bye, brother. This is the bottom. M. Mercato. Thank you ever so much for being here. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you've just joined us, here is the subscribe and ring the bell. But give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. There you go. I have bought the dips. I've been buying all the way through. I most certainly have. I want to share with everybody, look, we are now at 1,942 subscribers, trying to get to 2,000. Absolutely awesome. Thank you ever so much, everyone that supports my channel. Is everything going to go up? That is the question. Well, eventually it will. Eventually it will. Here is the level 2 data right now, which is being manipulated by the market makers. Don't take this as gospel. It gets manipulated. Alex Hunt, Coco London. I'll have a look for you. Just give me a second. I bought Hood and C3 AI and Corsair today. Congratulations, M. Mercato. If you want to be in the cash draw tomorrow, here is the invite to join. That's tomorrow morning. CAT is up 202 today. POS earnings PE23. Right, let me Coco London. COCOA. It might not be available. No, it's not on Robinhood. M. Mercato. I can't get that on Robinhood, I'm afraid, and that's the brokerage I'm looking at right now. Sorry about that. Top tip from Martyn Redding just come in. CAT is up 2% today. Let's go back to the main portfolio. Down these 7% now. House. Oh, don't even ask me. Don't even ask about the jam. I am having real pain here today. It's very, very difficult. Very difficult indeed. Virgie is going sideways now. It's up slightly, 0.2 in the after hours. But, I mean, that's nothing really. Lucid is still falling. Hood is still falling. Today was definitely a red day. You ain't kidding, mate. You ain't kidding. It's very difficult. I had some exciting news today. Have you all heard of the company Restream? It's the company I use to send my videos out to multiple places. And where's all your shares gone? What do you mean, where are they gone? The shares haven't gone anywhere. Restream are talking to me today. They want to sponsor the channel and support me. Interesting, isn't it? Point is, I am up to date with all my value stocks, which is where all the money is moving to. I feel bad for all that watching all the red. Yeah, I mean, this is real, guys, as well. This is all the money I have in the world. All right, just so you fully understand the full gravity of this. This is it. There's no money sitting over here. This is my real money. Live here on the show. This is my money, and I'm losing it like you wouldn't believe. But at the end of the day, I believe in the stocks I've got. If you started from 5,000, oh yeah, you are doing exceptionally well in your stock. Yes, especially without using. Yes, I've never used options. I've never used leverage. Absolutely. Oh, hello. We got Abdullah just come in. If you started from 5,000, your portfolio is over 45, you're doing exceptionally well with your stock picks, especially without using call options. Absolutely. I don't use any options at all. I don't borrow any money. Martin, has this changed your view on stop losses? No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. Not at all. You probably think I'm mad, and I understand. Most people think I'm mad. That's fine. Tomorrow probably green pop. Let's hope so. All the chat's blowing up now. We've got the chat blowing up. Let's welcome our guest in. Everybody, look. Abdullah Azuki has just come into the live stream. Let's welcome our guest in here. Where's Abdullah from? I guess it's somewhere in the Middle East from looking at his attire. Welcome to our stream. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm not a financial advisor, obviously. If I was, I wouldn't be losing all my money, maybe. I don't know. But then having said that, financial advisors broke the banks many times, so who knows. Hold strong. Yes, I will be. I am. As you know, I started to move into value between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Yes, I did. And I remember that. And it's obviously worked very, very well for you. Where it says shares on the left, on the right-hand screen of the screen, you click on a share, for example, Tesla, there is 0. Is there where you can choose how much shares to buy in? Sam, I don't understand your question, mate. All my shares are still here. Nothing's changed. I haven't done anything. Oh, you're looking at you're looking at the trade. This isn't how many shares I've got over here. This is if I was buying and selling shares. All right? That's just my trading position. Drillion. Martin. Virgin Galactic will reward the bravest. This will 1,000% have a happy ending. Buying in. Got it. Thank you. There, you're welcome. Yeah, if I go to Virgin Galactic, look, 920 shares. There's my shares. What you're looking at there is the shares. That's the buy-in. That's where I do a trade. All right? Makes sense? Okay. I'm going to live on that one. Drillian Damage. Thank you, Drillian Damage. He says, Martin, Virgin Galactic will reward the bravest. It's all about the future. I'll translate to English. Oh, lovely. Thank you ever so much indeed. We've got a special guest here. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. And I tell you what, I know what I'm going to do right now. You know what I'm going to do right now? I'll show you right now. Because I'm feeling like I'm on my own. I'm from Saudi Arabia and I'm a big time trader. Well, welcome to you. Subscribe and ring the bell. Wonderful stuff. Give us a thumbs up then. There you go. Welcome our big time trader. I like that. Another indicator you can look at is the beta if it is over 1. I look at it as a volatile speculation stock. I subscribe to you, Abdullah. Thank you ever so much indeed. Well, if you'd like to be part of our show and you'd like to be an invested member, I give you the invitation to join our happy company. There is the invitation to become a member. And if you become a member live in the show, this is what happens. It will say the day trader has become a member. It will say Abdullah has become a member. And there are lots and lots of perks if you are a member. All right, here are some of the perks for you as a member. Virgin Galactic needs time. It's as simple as that. Yes, it does. It does indeed. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me just get rid of that screen. There we go. Sorry about that. Right, do you know what? I feel all alone with Virgin Galactic. And I must be all alone because everybody's sold out. Everybody sold out of Virgin Galactic today. No one believes me anymore. So this is what I'm going to do. We're going to keep it on. We're going to show the Virgin Galactic level 2 data, and I'm going to go over to my piano. In situations like this, it's time to go to the piano. No question about it. All right, no question about it. That's what I'm going to do right now. How do I become a member? The link just takes me to your YouTube front page. Yeah, you just become a member. You need a browser. Either a browser on your phone or a browser on your computer or your iPad. Just click join. George Osborne, thank you for trying, mate. Right, here we go. On days like this, the only thing you can do, Bitcoin is my top investment as well. Yeah, it's my biggest investment as well. All right, in situations like this, when you get down and the whole world sells the stock and you're the only person left in it, there's only one thing you can do. And this is what I'm doing now. This is all you can do. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember many years ago, I started here, playing my song to the likes of you. I've traveled all over the world. I've played in every major capital too. As I traveled so far and wide, I found a wife, I made a family. Those days are gone now, I'm home alone again, starting over, trying to make things right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember when I was 5 years old, I used to play piano beside my dad. When I was sad, when I was glad, my music never let me down. This is my commitment, I'm looking for a love to last the rest of my life. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? I guess not. I'll have my music and my song. There we go. All right. Aye. We're back in the hot seat again now, having a tough time with it. Biggest drop ever, worst position ever, worst case ever. Who put the mic stand there? Yeah, very good. Hey Julia, you got this. Is there any Tesla jam out there? Oh man, you'd think so, right? No income tax, no VAT. That's true. No income tax, no VAT, no money back, no guarantee. I love it. It is all the amounts and percent of your portfolio. I have 5%, 0.5% in Spce, and 5%, 5.3% in GWW, for example. There you go. Right. Trillion. Remember Virgin Galactic just got a new facility for the Delta class. I added 200 shares on Virgin today. 5 minutes from my house in Cornwall in the UK, Virgin Galactic is building Spaceport UK. I live 5 minutes from Virgin Galactic Spaceport. It's happening. All right? So you do what you will, you think what you think. And I think what I think, and that's it. Who put the mic stand there? Should always wear that hat, it suits you. Thanks ever so much, mate. Yeah, I like that hat, it's alright, isn't it? Okay, well, in the morning, we've got the cash giveaway, of course. I don't know where the cash is coming from right now, but it is. I promised it was going to happen, and I always lived up to my promises. Here is the situation tomorrow. And if you are a member, you will be in the cash giveaway tomorrow morning. You've got until the raffle starts to become a member. There's the link. It's on a browser. It's just below the video, or there's the link in the chat. All right, cool stuff. Balasia is in the house. So lovely to see Balasia. It's been a while. How you feeling, mate? You've not been feeling very well. I hope you're feeling better. Lovely to have Balasia in the house, everybody. Right, let's look at the old portfolio. Down now, -3 on the week. What about the day? 0.57 today. There we go. Down 2. Tesla is down today, trading sideways now. What about Rivian? What's Rivian doing? Have a pint for tomorrow. It's a new day. It is a new day, as always. Virgin Galactic is 10.02. GGPI trading sideways. Lucid. All these stocks are down. All their fundamentals haven't changed. Have they? Robinhood is now dropping. Look at that all of a sudden. Down 2% in the after hours. Fundamentals have gone for that as well now. Everything is just gone. Paladin Technologies is down 2%. PayPal is now down. Today, PayPal started up here. And now it's gone back down. Everything has gone back down. People are fearful, sold out of everything. I mean, where are they putting their money? I've no idea. There we go. Do you know Fraddon? Yes, I know Fraddon very well. 5 minutes from me. Ethereum is starting to pick up a little bit. Apple's starting to pick up. Should we have a look at the level 2? What's lining up? 18,000 trades lining up again at $10. I'll share with you. Look, here it is. $18,000. You can see it right now. Look, there. 18,000 at 10. Same thing again. You had a holiday in Fraddon. No one holidays in Fraddon. That's funny. You're saying Fraddon is a holiday resort. It definitely isn't. That makes me smile. I'll give you that one. Okay. I'm going to end the stream right now. We've had a very, very tough day. It's very, very hard. I thank everyone. Oh, there we go. Dennis Poirier. I have a 948 buy order expiring tomorrow. See, what I don't understand is, this is why I don't do buy orders. If you believe Virgin Galactic or any stock is going to be a great company and you're going to buy in, you're not buying it in because you think it's going to go up a penny, are you? You think it's going to go up 20, 30, 40%, aren't you? At least. I mean, otherwise, why would you invest in something? So if that is the case, and you believe that Virgin Galactic is going to be the biggest space tourism company in the world and be amazing, and be $100, $200, $300 a share, whatever it might be. Why would you care if you buy in at 10.08, 10.09, 10.010? Who cares? Because the upside is far greater than the downside. So what is it that triggers people? Look, Dennis has just said, I will buy it at 9.48, but I wouldn't buy it at 10.03. What is the process of thinking behind that? I'm really fascinated to know. If you believe in it, I've been buying it from 35, 25, 20, 15, 10, all over the place. What difference does it make whether it's 10.03 or 10.04? If you believe in it, it doesn't make any difference. And that's what everyone is following charts and pictures on screens, and the stock doesn't know it's a chart or a picture on a screen. It's about human behavior. Stock valuation has got nothing to do with the value of the company. It's got everything to do with how people perceive the company to be. The company is the company. Virgin Galactic is building spaceships and people are buying tickets to go on it. It's going to make money. It's going to be great. That's got nothing to do with today's stock price. Nothing whatsoever. The only reason why people are selling out is because Virgin Galactic isn't about to fly to tomorrow, and they're putting their money somewhere else because they think they're getting more profit somewhere else. So if you believe in it at 20, 30, 40, 50, why would you be bothered whether it's 10.01 or 10.02? I just don't get that. The best trading app, what country are you in, George? What country are you in? I should have turned the car around, and guess what? We did. And we went back to Tavistock for a holiday to spend our holiday, aka our honeymoon. Very nice. Tavistock's very nice. I should have turned the car around. I guess that about Fradden when I got there. It's not a holiday resort. That's funny. Dennis Poirier has 9.48 buy order. See, why would you not buy at 10? Why would you not buy it now? That's what I'm saying. What difference does it make? What difference does it make, really, in the scheme of things? Am I wrong? Am I right? I'm just waiting for Dennis. The Isle of Man. Oh, UK. Okay. Well, in the UK, I use eToro. That's what I use. And if you use my All Links button, they pay me $40 for you to use it. All right, for you to get it. They give me $40 if you fund your account. And what I do is I give you $10 back of my own cash. They give me 40 and I give it you back. 10. So there is the eToro link in the chat. Right there. But you can click on all of these. There's lots of free money. You can get free money from crypto.com. You can get money from COINBASE.com. All of those offers are here under my All Links button. Sorry, I just gave you the invite to join. Hang on, I'll give you the All Links button as well. Where's my All Links button? Hang on, where's it gone? Oh, what have I done with that? Huh. I think I've deleted my All Links button. I don't know where that's gone. Huh. All right, I'll bring it up again then. This is where all the free stocks are. There's Learn to Earn. It's under your video anyway. Oh yeah, there you go. Thanks, mate. Yeah, I know. I put that there. Funny that, but I didn't remember where I put it. All right. I wanted to make it easier for you. See, I wanted you to have the actual button, so you don't have to type anything in. All right. See, I'm nice like that. Here we go. Here's the All Links button. I don't know where it went. Thanks, George. George Osborne. I like that because George Osborne was the exchequer of the British government. So it makes me laugh that we've got a George Osborne on a financial channel. There you go. All Links. I've added it back. I must have accidentally deleted it. There you go. Love you guys. Gotta go. Got the cable guy here working on my house. Very, very nice. Have you got issues? You got problems? Oh, 10:01. Virgin Galactic has hit 10:01. It's about to hit 10. There it is. 10:01. Will it go down to 10? And if it hits that, we've got here 19,000 in the after hours. 19,000 ready to buy at 10. 1 more cent. See, what's everybody bothered about 1 cent for? I don't get it. Why would 1 cent? Why would you buy it? Why would you not buy it at 1 cent, but you'd buy it at 1 cent more, 1 cent less? I don't understand that. I always try to be on the other side of it. If everyone's waiting to buy it at 10, I'll be the guy who buys it at 10:01. So as it hits 10, it will pop up. Why would you wait for 10? I don't get it. Do you not think that the upside is more than 1 cent a share? I mean, why would someone explain that to me in the live chat? Daniel Diaz, you bought BlackRock? No, I haven't. Daniel Diaz, it's lovely to see you, by the way. Murray McKinney, did you find out about barcode? Yes, Murray, we've been discussing it. Barcoding is when a stock is trading with algorithms very, very quickly in large numbers, very, very small amounts, but lots of small amounts, like a cent a share, but millions in one go. So you get the up and the down, so you form like a barcoding. And I don't think that this is barcoding. This is hang on, let me go to the Spce chart. This is Spce. This is not barcoding. And look at the buying coming in now. It's when a stock is being traded with algorithms in a tight space up and down. That's what barcoding is. And again, like I say, the stock doesn't know it's a pattern on a screen. People are obsessed with charts and pretty pictures. I've been hearing all day about the death cross for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a living thing. It doesn't know it's forming a death cross. It has no idea what that is. But people say it. So people react. And it's understanding how people react to things, which is how you, in my opinion, invest. I mean, you could disagree with me all day long if you like, but that's what I think. Anyway, if you look now at the bids, we are right on it. Look, it's the next bid. 10 is 18,000, need 19,000, and if we look at SPCE now, it's at 10:01. So Rolls-Royce was barcoding last year. Yes. Yes. That's what I believe. If someone could tell me differently, then please do. But 10:01. Is it about to go to 10? Look, there is the orders coming in. There is the trading position right now, 10:01. The label says on the Tesla Jam and on the back, it says wakes you up in the morning and it's free of charge. So don't think my wife is too happy I messed up one of her jars by putting a Tesla Jam brand on it. Brilliant. Did you find out about barcoding? I think that explains it, right? 10:01. Look at that. Is it going to hit 10? And see, this is what I think is ridiculous. So suddenly Virgin Galactic is a good company because it hits $10. 1 cent more, I'm not interested. Would someone explain to me why that is so important? Would someone explain that to me in the live chat, why they feel that 1 cent on a stock is so important? I won't buy it at 10:01, but I'll buy millions of it at 10. What does 1 cent mean? It's going to shoot up to 20, 30, 40, 50. Who cares about 1 cent? Maybe it's their buying. Maybe is their buying power. I think it's going to hit 10. Well, I think you're dead right. It's going to hit 10. But the point I'm trying to make is all day long, it's been just going sideways within a penny or two. And I don't understand that. I'm bewildered by that fact. Are you buying any? I can't buy any more. I've got 920 shares. I thought it hit 10 then. I don't know. It makes no sense. It makes no sense to me either. That's why I'm asking. We've got some very serious, very big traders here in the chat, and I want to know what they feel. No one's telling me. Why is 1 cent a share the difference between buying and selling something? I guess I understand people set limits. So of course, you got to set a limit. But that's why I don't do that. I just trade with my belief and my feeling, and I'm happy to buy it at 10. I was happy to buy it at 30. So it's really irrelevant, right? Whereas, where's Musanello when you need answers? Yes, indeed. 10:01. All right. Well, tomorrow, of course, we have our cash giveaway live with the show. So I need to make some money for that. So we're going to run a quick ad. Not like that, we're not. That's not how we run an ad. Are you ready? I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There you go, that's better. $10.02. Tesla's just starting to pick up again. Rivian is starting to pick up again. Space is starting to pick up again. Alpha is here. How is today going? Just tuned in. Lovely to have you here, Alpha. You should buy more to lower your average. I can't buy anymore. I absolutely can't buy anymore. Because if I do, Virgin Galactic's going to be like, as soon as it moves, 60, 70, 80% of my portfolio. Anyone will tell you in here, small traders, big traders, they will all say you can't buy, you can't do that. You can't buy any more. Alpha plays. Alpha, do you know SD Crypto? No, I don't, Alpha. Albin's here. Good to see you, Albin. Thanks for joining us. We're looking at Virgin Galactic crash today because all they did, see, if for example the rocket crashed today and it's a bad rocket or everybody cancelled their flights, I get it. The reason why the stock price is down is because they raised money to build the rockets quicker and bring it to market and scale up. The stock price should have gone up. It should have gone up because at the end of the day, the business is being run properly. Did I sell Gores Guggenheim? No. Here's Gores Guggenheim. No, I didn't. I'm still there. If you've just subscribed, just joined us, thanks ever so much indeed. Subscribe or ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. If you want to promote yourself in the channel, you can give us a little super chat if you like. Or you can become a member or subscribe to the channel. There you go. Boom. So, SPCE 1002. Oh, look at that. We got 29 likes. Let me put a timer on the clock. Let's see if we can get to 30 likes. Let's see if we can get to 30 likes in 1 minute. One more, 30 likes. Oh, get in. You like the video? I love it. I don't even need the music anymore. We did it. Smash the like button. Who won today? Right, let's have a look. Let's do our day trader of the day. We'll do it now. Okay, I am down 6.5%. Okay. 6. 6.5%. Right, don't post until I give you the timer. You ready? I'm down 6.5%. Are you ready? 6.5%. I'm going to give you a 1 minute clock to post your score. Don't do it until I give you the clock. Are you ready? Why do you not crypto? I do have crypto. I've got crypto. I've got Bitcoin. And I've got Ethereum. These are my two positions. Ethereum and Bitcoin. See that, look? I do have it. And I traded it today as well. I made some money this morning. You ready? Okay. 1 minute from now to post your score. Let's see who's up and down the most. Here we go. What price did you buy Bitcoin? I bought it many, many times. I bought and traded it many, many times. I hold some. Murray McKine is down 6.3. My average now shows you. My average now is 46,000, as you can see there. Look, there's my average right now. But that doesn't tell you the full picture because I've traded it, mate. I'm up 500%. No way. That's not possible. You can't be up 500%. You're absolutely impossible. 6.5 down. There we go. Up. Duchak is up 2.5%. Yeah, I traded crypto today. No, what this is here, Albin, just so you know, when we do the competition for the day trader of the day, it's your main portfolio, not just Bitcoin or one stock. It is your overall portfolio. Your overall portfolio, okay? So you go to your overall portfolio, whatever that is, whatever is your main portfolio, and okay, whatever it is your main portfolio, you look at that and you look at your day position. Not one stock, because if I could do that and I'd be down 50% in one and up at 20% in the other. It's your overall portfolio. Right, Alpha was down, up, 0. It's a wash. Liquidated all few days ago. Yeah. He's had a wash. There we go. Daniel Diaz down 15% today. Oh dear me, that's tough. So who's the winner? Looks Sam is down 6.5%. Don't worry, it's a blip. Hopefully things will start to pick up. The stock markets are always changing like the sea current, indeed. But Duchak is the winner. So let's give if you try selling those sort of coins, yeah, you'll get banned here. Alpha's telling you how it is. Everyone here is real, genuine, decent, honest, not trying to manipulate, influence anything. We are real people with our real life savings. Anyone who comes in and tries to manipulate or get us to buy stuff, yeah, you're absolutely right. You won't be you won't be allowed to do that. That's not what we want. We don't want anyone getting bad information. So Duchak is to be celebrated. Let's thank him first of all for sharing his honest trades, and let's do that. Let's give him a big round of applause. There we go. Congratulations, mate. Very, very well done. All right. There we go. Nice one, mate. Congratulations, bruv. Yeah, very, very good. Daniel Diaz, that's a great score. Well done to you. Well done indeed. I'm really, really happy for you, mate. Nice one. Look at that, look. It's just hovering across 10. What's going to happen in the morning? 2.5% is awesome for this times. It is indeed. Alpha. It is. What does GmbH stand for? I know it's a periodic table, isn't it? It's an element. Is Alpha Ping GmbH? It's a periodic element, isn't it? Nice one, mate. Congratulations to you. Right. Here is the all links button if you want to be part of our day trader Discord group. There it is for you right there. We've got a good audience watching right now. Absolutely great. Thanks for all being here with me tonight on this very... here we go. GmbH, Company Limited in English, is one of my companies. Ah. Swiss company name. Oh, okay. I thought it was like a periodic element. That's what it looked like for some reason. Okay. Thanks for clearing that up. I always was fascinated by it, wondering what it actually meant. Where's the moderator, Dave? He's not here today, is he? Old Dave. He's not in the house today. Lazy create personal... too lazy to create a personal YouTube account. That's all right, mate. So there we go. The end of another tough day here on the Day Trader. And I asked you whether it'd pop up or down. What was the votes? The votes were 33 votes. Wow. Is Virgin about to pop 52%? So it's right on the button. Look at that. 33 votes. Everybody voted. That's it. That's incredible. Let's end the poll. It's amazing that everybody voted for that. All right. Well, that's it from me tonight. We leave you on a very tough night in the market. I believe in what I believe in, and I'm all in. I believe in it. Tomorrow, of course, is the big raffle in the morning, giving away cash in the opening bell in the morning. We'll hope you'll join us for that live in the morning, and it's going to be an interesting morning because I'm going to be giving away money I don't have. And it is what it is, right? Virgin Galactic is incredibly low, and it's got nothing to do with the stock price. It's got nothing to do with the company. All they've done is raise money to build more spaceships. It's brilliant. It's good news. And because of that, people have sold the stock and moved into something else. Well, that's fine for them, because when it starts to pop up, they'll buy back, and I'll be sitting here with my $10 stocks. In fact, I won't be sitting here with $10 stocks. Majority of my stocks are higher. My average is $14.52. Let's get that absolutely straight. But there you go. One final look at the orders that are sitting here. As you can see, we've got orders sitting here. 21,000 at $10. You can see that look on the screen. That's what's waiting to come on in. These are all my audience over on TikTok. Thank you ever so much for tuning in today, all my TikTokers. Giving me some love. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Got 10,500 followers now on TikTok. And look, I'm always getting love. And is that Murray McKines? Murray McKines. Oh, no. I can see you on the screen. I thought you were on TikTok for a minute. No, you're not. There you go. There's all my TikTokers. Anyway, that's it from me today. Thanks for being here. I hope everybody's okay. Fit and well. I think Virgin is stuck on 1003 or 1002. It's going to keep bouncing around. Wheel Crush. Do you believe in this year, 2022, the space? Absolutely 100% do I believe that. Absolutely 100% do I believe that. Why do I believe that? For the simple reason is it's done it before. As soon as we get flights, people will buy in. You watch, and that will happen this year. It has nothing to do with the fundamentals. It's all to do with people fearful and buying in something else. Do you believe in this year, 2022, the SPCE will go back to $50? Absolutely. If I didn't, I would sell or take a loss and move somewhere else. Of course I do. Of course I do. Because this is my life savings on it. And I absolutely do believe that. Look, here is my Virgin Galactic position. Right? I've got 920 shares. Look. There we go. I'm currently down about 60%, even though it only shows 30% because I repositioned. But I'm actually down about 60%. Am I selling it? No. Will I sell on the way up? Yes, because I need to get some money out. Of course I will. I'll take some money out as it goes up. But there you go. Yes, I do believe it. Wheel Crush, where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Cornwall in England, and my studio is here in Texas. And we're just about to close the show, so it's nice to meet you. This is my TV studio where I go live every morning, every evening, and look forward to seeing you in the morning. Greece, nice to have you. We've got a few friends in Athens, in Greece. So welcome to you. Thank you ever so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the morning when we go live again. If you go to the homepage of my YouTube channel, you will see the upcoming shows. And yeah, I'll share with you. Here are the upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will see that we're live right here. Look, scroll down. And these are the upcoming live streams. Tomorrow, it's the last show. Because on Saturday, Sunday, we're not here, of course. And on Monday, we won't be here because it's Martin Luther King Day. The markets are closed in respect to Martin Luther King. But we will be here on tomorrow for the last time until Tuesday. And if you click on the opening and closing bell, it will tell you there about the times. Always the same time. Every single trading day, live here on the show. And tomorrow morning, live in the show, we're giving away cash to one of our members. We have 22 members. Here is the invitation, should you wish to join us live in the morning. There it is. That's the All Links button. And here is the invitation to join, should you wish to be part of our draw in the morning. Well, that's it from me. What a tough day it's been. Our day to day is tough, but you got to believe in it. You know, don't believe in what the charts say or the pretty pictures say. Believe in the fundamentals of a company. Believe in what it's doing. Believe in what it's creating, inventing, building. Is there a market for it? Do people want it? Is it going to grow? Is it for the future? If the answer is yes, the price you get in is irrelevant because it will grow. So right now, biggest part of my portfolio is SPCE. I believe in it, and I'll be in it in the morning, and I'll stick by it because I know Richard Branson. I know he's going to do a good job. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.